Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c colon /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon - boot - bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.